Hi there and welcome back to my channel. You're catching me in my lounge, about to do some wiring on my leisure battery and my homemade battery box. I've already used this leisure battery actually in my wagon, and I got about 5 days on my Snowmaster 56D using this battery. It's an Exide Marine dual AGM battery, 100 amp hours, and yeah, I'm actually quite impressed with how well it works. Like all AGM batteries, it's pretty heavy. It's about 30 odd kilograms, and it actually fits into this box really well. So to this box I've added a little bracket that currently holds 2 cigarette holders, but I'm going to add probably a third one as a charging port, so that I can just plug in the charging for it directly and I don't have to faff around with crocodile. Well, there you go guys, this is all done now. Phase 1 of the battery box complete. As you can see here, I've basically hooked it up as I will be running it at the moment. I'll be charging it using my Noco Genius 5, which is a 5000 milliamp little charger. I've added the export direct to battery terminal connection to it, so it runs straight to the battery itself, which is in there, so a permanent connection there. And then when it's not in use, I just clearly not made for one-handed operation, I would unplug that and then just tuck that back in there. So on this little port here, I've got two 12 volt cigarette lighter ports. I've checked the polarity, we are good to go. And then obviously inside the box is the battery, which is secured with some wooden spacers to stop the battery from sliding around, and I've also ratcheted it down. I've added some ventilation holes to the box itself. I've got 4 holes on the side, on this side at the bottom, and then I put 4 holes on the top on this side to get a bit of a cross flow of air as the battery heats up, to just get some fresh air in there. I don't think it's required. I'm not going to pull that much from it. At most I will probably use a 600 watt inverter at the most, just to run laptops, but in general this box will mostly run some LED camp lights and the fridge in the back of my bucky. So phase 2 of this project is to add or decide on what DC-DC charger I'm going to use. Add an Anderson plug to the box itself, so I'm still going to keep it mobile. We're just adding probably around here or here somewhere, add an Anderson plug, so that I can unplug and plug in as required. Run some cables on my bucky itself and then get it all squared for long-term use. I'll probably keep this little port in here, just allows me to charge the battery properly with a decent charger from the mains, just to make sure the battery is topped off every now and then, especially during the winter where it probably won't be used that much. Cool, I'll see you in the next one.